English listening and speaking practice at the customs.
Good morning. Can I see your passport? Certainly, here it is. Yes, that's all right. Have you got anything to declare? Yes, I have. I've got some whiskey and some cigarettes. How much whiskey have you got? A liter. That's all right. And how many cigarettes have you got? 200. Fine. What about perfume? No, I haven't. Good. Open your case, please. Pardon? Open your case, please. Open it now. Oh, dear. Look at this. You've got 3 bottles of whiskey, 400 cigarettes, and a lot of perfume. Does that mean I can't go?
A new baby.
Well, hello, Mr. Wallace. You seem unusually happy today. I just became a father. Congratulations. A boy or a girl? You never saw such a cute girl. 9 pounds, 3 ounces, and as cute as a button. Doesn't this call for cigars? Oh, yes, I forgot about the cigars. Here, have one. Thank you. How's your wife? She's just fine.
Is English difficult? Where are you going? To Canada. Why are you going there? I'm going to learn English. There's a school there that has an excellent program. Is learning English going to be difficult? Yes, I have to study and practice a lot. Where is your school? It's in a town called St. Catharines in Ontario. I'm jealous. I'll bet you're excited. Yes, but I'm also really nervous. Washing his car.
If your power goes out, remain.
Where's Kevin?
And assist family.
He's in front of the house.
What is he doing?
Washing his car.
Again?
Yes, he takes good care of his car.
But he never cleans his room.
I know, it's always dirty.
And nothing is in order.
You're right, his room is a mess.
Maybe he should move into his car. At the restaurant. This is a big menu. Yeah, what are you getting? Chicken, peas, and baked potatoes. I don't know what to get.
They have a very good turkey.
I had turkey yesterday.
How about steak?
Perfect. I'll get steak and mashed potatoes.
What vegetable are you getting?
I'm not getting any. I don't like vegetables.
When's the baby due?
I have some good news. What is it? Lisa is going to have a baby. That's great. I'm so happy for her. Me too. Do they want a boy or a girl?
A girl.
When's the baby due?
At the beginning of September.
I'm going to phone Lisa tonight. That's nice. Say hello for me.
Bus stop. Jean! Barbara, do you work around here?
Yes, I work in that building across the street.
Really? What do you do?
I work in a law office. I am a secretary.
Oh, that's interesting.
What about you? What do you do?
I work at Duru Restaurant.
Oh, are you a cook?
No, I'm a waitress.
That's a really hard job. I don't envy you.
Me neither.
Do you live alone, Jean?
No, I don't. I live with my family. How about you?
I'm married now. I got married last year.
Really? Congratulations. Whom did you marry?
His name's Jeff Hunt. He lives in my building.
Oh, what does he do?
He's a doctor.
How wonderful. I'm very happy for you. Gardening.
Your garden is really lovely.
Thank you. I enjoy working in the garden.
Do you do everything yourself?
I trim the bush and weed the flower beds myself.
Who cuts the grass?
Oh, it's so big that I hire one of the boys in the neighborhood to do it for me.
Well, I must say he does a good job.
His work is more than satisfactory.
A lazy boy. I'm very angry with my son, Harry. Why? What's the problem? He's not doing well in school. That's a surprise. Harry is a smart boy. Yes, but he never studies. Did you talk to his teachers? Yes, I did. What did they say? He's a nice boy, but he's very lazy. Maybe they're right. I'm afraid so. Have you thought about getting him a tutor?
Maybe that's a good idea. I really want him to excel.
Let's go look in the phone book now, then.
Can I drive there?
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Oh no! I'm late!
Where are you going?
To the dentist.
Can I drive you there?
Sure, that will help.
Do you have a toothache?
Yes, and it's very bad.
I'm sorry to hear that.
I've had it for weeks, and this is the first time that I could get in. My dentist is always so busy.
I guess that's a good thing. It means a lot of people like him.